In this video, you'll learn how to create pie charts using Notion AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to effectively visualize your data. By the end, you will have a pie chart that you can customize and utilize in your Notion workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Notion. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as loading the site may take time depending on your speed. Once the homepage appears, you are ready to proceed. Next, locate the option to add a new page. This is typically found in the sidebar of your Notion workspace. Click on the button labeled Add New Page to create a fresh page where your pie chart will be constructed. After clicking, you should see a blank page ready for your input. After that, click on any blank space within the new page. This action will allow you to start inputting your commands. You should see a cursor blinking, indicating that the page is ready for text entry. This is where you will begin the process of creating your pie chart. Type in the command /mermaid to initiate the pie chart creation process. This command is crucial as it tells Notion to prepare for a diagram. Once you type this, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various options related to the mermaid syntax. At this point, click on the text that appears in the drop-down and erase it. This will clear any default text and prepare the area for your specific pie chart data. You should see the space now completely clear, ready for you to input your own data. Proceed by typing in the pie chart data in the specified format. For example, you can format it as pie chart data, sample 1, 50, sample 2, 50. Make sure to use a format that Notion AI understands to generate the pie chart accurately. After entering your data, you should notice a visual representation beginning to form. Next, click on the title area of your pie chart. This action allows you to customize the title to better reflect the data you are presenting. Once clicked, the title should become editable, enabling you to rename it as desired. After renaming the title, click on the section labeled Sample 1 to edit this portion of your data. This interaction will allow you to change the label to something more descriptive, ensure that the new label accurately represents the data point for clarity. Once you have made your changes, continue by renaming the next sample. Click on the Sample 2 section and edit it to fit your data needs. This step is essential for maintaining clarity in what each section of the pie chart represents. You can also modify the values associated with each sample. Click on the value next to sample 1 and change it as necessary to reflect your data accurately. This flexibility is important for ensuring that your pie chart conveys the correct information. Finally, review your pie chart for any adjustments. Take a moment to ensure all data points and labels are accurate. Once satisfied, you can save your changes and utilize your pie chart within your Notion workspace for future reference or presentations. That wraps up today's guide. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.